Have you ever wondered, does my body feel different after childbirth? Or more specifically, will sex ever feel the same again? If so, you're not alone. Many women have concerns about vaginal tightness after giving birth, and, let's be honest, so do their partners. But here's the real question. Is it permanent? Can you restore tightness, sensation, and pleasure in the sex? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only have answers, you'll also know exactly what to do about it. The problem: what happens to the vagina after childbirth? First, let's break down what's actually happening. During vaginal birth, the pelvic floor muscles stretch significantly to allow the baby to pass through. It's an incredible natural process, but it can also lead to a feeling of looseness, reduced sensation, and even minor incontinence. Now, here's the kicker. Your body is designed to recover. The vagina is elastic, like a rubber band, and it naturally contracts postpartum. However, the extent of recovery depends on factors like genetics, the number of births, and how well the pelvic floor muscles regain strength. But what if you feel like things haven't snapped back the way you expected? Before you panic, let's talk about the good news. Imagine this. You're trying to blow up a balloon for the second time. It's easier than the first time, right? That's because it's already been stretched. But unlike a balloon, the vagina has a unique ability. It can regain tightness with the right approach, which brings us to the solution: how to restore vaginal tightness. So what can you do? Here's where science and a little bit of effort come into play. Pelvic floor exercises, Kegels. If you haven't heard of Kegels by now, you're missing out on the easiest, most effective way to strengthen your pelvic floor. Just a few minutes a day can significantly improve muscle tone and sensation. Vaginal rejuvenation therapies. From laser treatments to radiofrequency therapy, modern medicine has solutions that help stimulate collagen production and enhance tightness. Diet and hydration. Yes, even what you eat affects your vaginal elasticity. Regular sexual activity. Believe it or not, sex itself promotes blood flow and elasticity, which aids recovery. Doctor's orders: more pleasure, more progress. Wait, did I just give you a medical reason to have more sex? Yes, I did. But here's the thing: knowing what to do is one thing. Understanding how these methods impact your pleasure is another. And this is where it gets really interesting. What this means for your sex life. Let's talk about the part you've been waiting for: how vaginal tightness, or lack of it, affects sexual pleasure. A well-toned vaginal wall increases friction during intercourse, enhancing pleasure for both partners. But beyond physical tightness, pelvic floor strength is directly linked to stronger orgasms. So, restoring vaginal tone isn't just about tightness. It's about amplifying pleasure in a way you might not have experienced before. And speaking of pleasure, did you know that most women don't experience their full orgasmic potential? If you want to learn the secrets to unlocking mind-blowing orgasms, I've got just the video for you. Click on the end screen now to watch The Science of the Female Orgasm. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.